Hello LinkedIn. I've been doing some longer videos lately. It's time for a change of pace. Something quick and easy this week, merging accounts in QuickBooks Online. It's actually really simple. You edit the account that you want to get rid of, the one that you want to roll into the other account. For instance, we have prepaid expenses here on my chart of accounts. Maybe I don't have prepaid expenses. Maybe that should be the inventory asset over here. All we're going to do is make sure that the details match when we edit this account, and it's pretty simple from there. So if I go into prepaid expenses and edit, first thing I look at is to make sure it's not a sub account. If it's a sub account, I make sure it's not, save and close, come back in to edit again. Once it's not a sub account, you make sure everything matches. The account type is the same, the detail type, and the name. Inventory asset. So now when I save and close, it's going to prompt me for a couple of things. It's going to prompt me to merge the account because the name's already being used, and it's going to warn me that changing the account may affect your accounting and reporting. We're okay with all these things. So I save and close. It may affect the accounting and reporting. That's fine. Hey, do you want to merge? Yep, that's fine. Remind me again that it's going to affect the accounting and reporting. Yep, that's fine. Now that it's saved, you can see it deleted the account, the prepaid expenses account, and it rolled that transaction up with the inventory asset, which is exactly what we want. So we're all done here. We've merged the account. A side note is that there are some accounts that you can't merge. Those are ones that QuickBooks automatically creates for you. Those would be things like undeposited funds here, accounts receivable, accounts payable. Any of these uncategorized accounts would also be examples of ones that you can't merge. So, I hope that helps you guys. Thanks for watching.